In this video today, I'm going to transplant a banana pop. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Banana pop is also known as a banana sucker or a baby banana plant. So you can just say it whatever is easy for you. This variety is ladyfinger banana, so it's not gonna be very big. So the banana pop that I got is of a really good size, and if I was to buy it in Bunnings or in other nursery, it would cost me about $25 to $35, but I got it for free, so I'm really happy about that. It's already got a very established root system, and some of its old leaves are already dying, so it's already established plant. So I'm hoping that I won't have any issues with growing this one. So I am gonna transplant it in a pot first, given the weather is very hot and dry in Brisbane at the moment, and then once it's established, then I'll transplant it. So I've got this mix of garden soil and all-purpose soil here mixed all together. So to start with, I'm gonna get rid of all these dried leaves and old root and probably the old or gray part of the stem as well. Also, this plant already has quite a few leaves, and some of these are already damaged, so which I've got rid of it. Of these established leaves, I'm gonna cut them into half so that it doesn't have to take much burden, but they will just leave the rest to soak the sun. So this plant here is ready to go to the pot. Okay, I'm gonna start putting it in the pot now. So I've got a pot ready, which I maybe needed a bit bigger, but didn't have one available. So put some mixed soil on the bottom of the pot, and then I'm just gonna put this banana plant, but it's got all the root on one side, so I just didn't want it to chop that off, and I'll just leave it just in case. Didn't want it to disturb the plant. So fill the pot with the rest of the soil, but just couldn't put the plant in a straight position. But I mean, it's just gonna be here for temporary time, so I'll just leave it and see how it goes. I mean, it's small and it's not too heavy, so it'll be easy for me to keep moving to the seed every now and then, so I'll just leave it. Like any other transplant, water the pot and soak it really well, and keep watering at least few times a week. Make sure that you don't have it in sunny position for full day, especially not in this weather in Brisbane at the moment. I have used these old dried leaves as mulch and covered the pot with it, so you can use anything that you use to mulch with. And also I have decided to put it next to the fence so that it doesn't have to face the sunlight full day. So that's it everyone, thank you so much for watching.